Especially pilaya snow ya ke ke bangi ni keren tu ngi mi ha ya ke ni ke jingkren ke jong governor da ka tin hindi. Nomor ba ni dang ele kapala bani khun ban prio ya ka tin khasi ko official language. Ndrei ka government of India kam pateo ka pha mani ngi ni governor ki bakran da hindi ki bangi me suthu suthawi ngi kren ki. Hey, telah ki ong bagi la circulate dengan English version tu boleh governor pun stom hindi banwan. Wala kan song hi labiang circulate kini labiang boleh fi wes ka por ka ju ban song to de kenta ban snap ya tin ka bangi ngim so to ban ngim de ban klat bagi pat ba bagi nongelam ki bai khi ban pinyo ya ka state le jong kadek pang namal ba ka sokar asam ka persang ban plong ka asmis ka official language tena kata-kata apa ban insult ya gitu ki leaders ki bala ya khon bai ki pat ba kani dai ka jingni bangim don ka buram ma it shows our complete disrespect ya kita ki pat ba ki noilam ki blai khun ban pinyo against state kadi ni ka stand to the voice of the people party because sum ka party ni yang ha norim ka pat ba kwa te ngi le ai bu pat ba ku inti ngi bagi de le ngini simenta ma ngi ayo ya kani ka address ngini simenta mereka protest kini tolong balik be kuan ban kren tin hindi ya assembly tanggata very simple reason hi ke jiu pun ban kendung ya ka tin khasi haki chiri kadang ke jeng pun kelaya, bat ngiru ke parti ngin budin, bahkan dek awai ni isu ke bagi ngin shimkia, kumno bagi nyo ya ke jeng itu official language.
Tekai ke Punjab adalah laya mentah ki hapo house ki wan penkan dak hindi.
Kadang kata ke bagi ni persyak, kadang kata ke dau ke bagi persyak ke jaka pun aino pun kentup no ya ke tin khasi bagaru apa ke isu bahkan kelalong ke official language, pipin seluruh mana ke jengkran hindi. Kabo pani bahkan poi ke porba ka jingkin ti jui bengino ya ka tin khasi ka official language kan poi ki hre ki so jui ro mangin tempau ke tu jing persya buni governor untuk pengingim pedang ya kan jingkran ju. It speaks about the language of the assembly, and here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. Sir, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the governor continue to address us in Hindi, sir.
Speaker Mahoday, और मेघालय विधानसभा के माननीय सदस्यगण 11वीं मेघालय विधानसभा के सभी नवनिर्वाचित सदस्यों को मेरी हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामना। मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप हमारे खूबसूरत राज्य के लोगों की सेवा में खुद को समर्पित करेंगे।
May I ask the honourable member to sit down, please, not to interrupt the governor's address.
Speak and voice the sentiment of the people, sir. So I think it will be better if you allow me to submit a few submissions. Sir, if we go according to the Rule 28 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business.
I will allow this house to, the governor will be addressing in Hindi, so I think we should let it go.
On exception to this, and we strongly condemn. We strongly condemn. This is against the sentiment of the people of the state, sir.
Mr.
As
Speaker,
a party, we truly represent the voice of the people, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
This is very, I think, on this issue,
I request the honourable member.
Just let me complete. On this issue, I feel there should be no opposition, no ruling. We should stand united as one.
Standing, all the members are requested.
You are here because of the toil and sweat of the people and the leaders of the state.
When the chair is
you
on
just
his
not
feet,
get the state
when the
simple
chair
as
is
that,
on his
sir.
feet, All the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on his feet,
आप
nobody else stands.
आप सभी इस परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाने और सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूं। राज्य के सभी क्षेत्रों में सामाजिक आर्थिक विकास के संवैधानिक मैंडेट के अनुसार सरकार बेहतर शासन के माध्यम से राज्य की बहुमुखी प्रगति लोगों के जीवन स्तर
Government of India to impose on us the language.
कर रही है।
No, we will not allow this. Down, down. We condemn the governor. We condemn the governor for addressing
Speaker,
us
sir,
in the language we don't understand.
This is not the behavior
It
that
is
is expected
shame.
of an elected member.
Oh,
Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior
will not
expected
allow.
of the elected member.
Either you
The
throw us
Honourable
out,
Speaker, the Honourable
either you
Governor
throw us
is addressing
out
the
or you
House.
stop the governor.
The Honourable
No, we are
Governor is
not
addressing the
misbehaving.
House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of-
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This
behavior
is
that is
against
expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
Rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members.
No. This is a
Honourable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to
Well,
start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since
should
the
be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the House.
The rule is clear. The
So
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the Honourable Governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
House.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to do
everybody.
anything.
And there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honourable Governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
not allow this to
is
become a
speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi, he is not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an issue.
understand that Meghalaya
He is
is
not
not a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He is doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading,
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English, but in Hindi. And therefore, the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like this
Maybe
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
Honourable
us
Governor of the
raising
House.
the sentiment of the
Therefore-
people before the House.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We
not
respect
to,
the people
not
who
to-
elected us.
not to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this is against the
This is
sentiment
not
of the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the
Would you
mandate
please sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
House.
sit down? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat? Would you please take your seat? Since the translated version is circulated to all the members, and our Honourable Governor has certain limitations, so I will allow our Honourable Governor to speak in Hindi, and the translated version, English version, is circulated to all the members. And I request the members to kindly bear with the House and also show decorum of the House, not to shout while the Honourable Governor is making his Governor's address. So I would request once again to all the members to please bear with the House and kindly listen to the Governor's address. Otherwise, I will.
Sending Hindi-speaking governors to us. We don't understand what they're talking, so we will stage a walkout. We don't want to be part of this proceeding, sir. And those who don't feel insulted, they may stay in their seats.
Is this an insulting policy?